Evaluator for the Toastmasters, most welcome guest, and most importantly, Isabel Hershaw. What a great privilege to be evaluating your speech. When I was told I was going to be evaluating your speech, I was like, huh? It was a great lesson you gave us here, because the idea of this speech was to, actually the manual I had was the body speaks, but I guess because of the program, it was put in as the Competent Communication Manual 1. So I'll be evaluating Isabel like she gave a speech on the body speaks, because that's exactly what she did here. Because she made use of the speaking area, she was able to give us pictures, imagery, because the idea of the majestic rocks is not something you can just talk about by reading a speech. She was able to paint very vivid pictures. I saw myself in Arizona. I could, imagine the rocks and the sunlight, the people having this experience. It was well painted, and you used eye contact effectively. You actually looked at everybody. You used your hand gestures well. I think you gave us a very good lesson here on how to be bold enough to, take use of this space and express yourself. Talk about something that some people would say, how can you get a speech from the majestic rocks? But you did. So it's interesting, because I think one of the ideas is to be able to come up with speeches from almost things that would seem like nothing, but make it something. And you are able to do that. The only feedback I can give is the part where you have the intro and the conclusion. I think if you could have expanded on it a little bit, it would have helped us to get introduced to what you were about to talk about even more. And then, give the speech as you did. But then at the end, yes, you gave us a good call to action, which was really great, but just a little bit more on the conclusion so that we kind of sucked everything in really well. But all in all, I think I learned a lot more on how to express myself. And I think I can come out here and say, great job.